U.S. stocks gained in March amid rising optimism for an economic recovery. The S&P 500 index returned 4.4%, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 6.8%. These indexes were led by strength in value stocks and the utility sector. Investor optimism was partially inspired by a new $1.9 trillion coronavirus aid spending bill. This package included another round of direct checks and additional jobless aid. The relief bill also allocated funds to schools, vaccine distribution efforts, and state and local governments. Meanwhile, the rate of vaccination significantly increased in March. The Biden administration raised its first 100-day vaccination doses goal to 200 million, up from the previous target of 100 million, which it had already achieved. About 16% of the total U.S. population was fully vaccinated by the end of March. In monetary policy news, the Federal Reserve kept overnight interest rates near zero and said it will maintain its rate of purchasing Treasury bonds and mortgage-backed securities. The central bank also raised its forecast for economic growth and inflation, thanks in part to fiscal stimulus and improving pandemic conditions. Finally, in our chart of the month, we look to the Institute of Supply Management's Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index. This index is based on surveys of purchasing and supply executives nationwide. It's a good read on sentiment in the manufacturing industry. Readings above 50 indicate expansion. In March, the ISM Manufacturing PMI came in at 64.7, its highest reading since December 1983. This also marked the 10th consecutive month of expansion. For more economic data and to see how our funds performed in March, please see our latest monthly investment report.